this is the filter we pulled out, unmolested. We're going to cut it open. Okay, I've got some cutting tools here. So, given that the first engine went because of an oil pump failure, question always is there stuff in your engine after the first 800 miles that your filter should get out of there? And the answer is, well, there's some stuff, but does it rise to the level of panic? Probably not. Nothing too stunning. You can kind of see, hopefully, every so often you get a fleck, a shiny fleck. You can see some of it there. Again, some of it there. Basically chunks of aluminum, but not a lot. I imagine that the original filter from the engine blow-up looked a lot worse than this. You can see that there's some pieces of metal, but again, all those whitish things, those are pieces of metal that are showing up. That's how they show up on the camera. They show up as these little white flakes, but they're really silver pieces of aluminum, I suspect. So, this is what an 800-mile break-in oil filter looks like.